Hello, I am Jason Dragon. This is Emerald Computers, also called Arizona Computer Recycling. And today we're going to do our standard tour of our warehouse to see all of the cool used items we have, all the antiques, all the collectibles, and everything that you're going to like. We're going to start right here. These are laptops that we've either purchased or have been recycled, and they are all categorized by generations, and these are for sale. If you are in the business of buying laptops so that you can fix them up and sell them, these are the laptops that you'd be interested in. So let me go and show you the rest of the store. So over here, we have Chromebooks. Over here, we have some older laptops that are actually, some of these can be refurbished and some of these might just be to be shredded. These laptops are ones that are nicer, newer ones, but they have issues, and we mostly just use them for spare parts. We also can sell them in bulk if somebody wants. We have our giant section of graphics cards. Many of these are working tested, yet they are older. We do have quite a few of the RX 580. We ended up buying 1,000 of them from somebody, and we've sold about 600 so far, which means we have about 400 left. We also fix computers here. So we have our tech bench. These are all customer computers we're in the process of fixing. Over here, we have pretty high-end, but used power supplies. So if you guys need a power supply, we definitely can do that. More of the higher-end graphics cards. The ones in here have been tested. We also have some newer ones. CD-ROM drives, DVD drives, hard drives. All the hard drives in here have been completely wiped. And here we have our giant amount of RAM. We have laptop RAM, DDR3 RAM, DDR4 RAM. We do have quite a few processors. We have a lot of end-of-life stuff. That's what EOL stands for. But we do have quite a few newer ones. We have fans. But the best part is we have an entire warehouse of more stuff. So when we go into the warehouse, it's a little dark right now. We will turn the motion sensor on. So we have 3 entire pallets of older gaming computers right here. We are looking for a bid or an offer to just buy everything as is. We haven't gone through and taken out RAM or drives or anything from them. We will be having to take out the drives. The one that's wrapped up, I believe, has all the drives taken out, but the rest of them are complete. So if this is something that you would be interested in, let us know. Over here, we have more of the graphics cards. We have cases. Everything you see is for sale. Even if you just want the stand-up desk thing with the monitors on it. We have our newer, higher-end computers here. We have a 10th gen, a couple 10th gens, a couple other machines. We have a whole bunch of Optiplex. So most of these are 6th and 7th gen Optiplex, mostly i5s. The vast majority of them have been tested to work and at least post to the BIOS. They all should have at least 8 gigs of RAM, and they all have processors and fans and all that type of stuff that works. They should all have their drives removed, because our first and foremost duty is to our customers that recycle with us. And we want to make sure that all their data is protected. So we definitely make sure that that happens. Over here, we have a lot more computers. We're in the process of reorganizing these and setting them up. We have quite a few servers down here, and you'll see more servers later on. We are building a pallet right here. I believe this pallet is 6th gen, and that pallet, I believe, is 7th gen. And we're trying to make full pallets of each of them. This is our TV land area. If you remember from our last video, we had probably 10 times as many TVs. This entire area was full. But we had a TV shop in Mexico, of all places, that was buying them in bulk and taking them to Mexico and selling them there. We also have a lot of collector's items type stuff. So we have this interesting Xerox memory writer with a screen, old CRT monitors, this K Pro over here. I don't believe that one turns on, but that's a really cool antique. If there's anything that you want to know more about, simply give us a call and we can text you over some pictures. So we acquire a vast amount. In fact, in the last week alone, we've acquired 2 entire truckloads. And now our truck isn't that big. It's a full-size Sprinter van. But we filled it up twice in the last week and added more inventory. So we have Apple stuff that hasn't been sorted. We are really, really strong on monitors. In fact, we have way too many of them. So if anybody's interested in getting a huge amount of monitors, we would love to get those off of our hands. And this is the antique area. I normally can walk over here, but unfortunately the monitors, as you can tell, are trying to take over. So let me go through here. I never really know what people are going to be interested in to buy. But, you know, we have old modems, old antique laptops, compact computer there, old typewriters. That's a giant, super thick. This is kind of like a floppy. I don't know if I've ever seen one of this model before. It's like it looks kind of like the cartridge style, like the 3.5 inch, but it's like almost a 5 1/4 size. It's also a lot thicker. We have zip disks, zip drives, a lot of decent home stereo equipment, more antique collectible laptops, Sun Microsystem SCSI keyboards. Normally it's a little bit cleaner than this, but we've had a few people this weekend come through and we've just been swamped just trying to unload. We do also have all these network switch rack mount systems. So that one's a huge fully enclosed system. We have another one. This one's just the bars, more bars, more bars. We got another Dell one that's fully enclosed over there. Honestly, these things are big and bulky, and we just want them gone. So you know, any reasonable offer is going to come and grab it. And then, of course, we have, you know, piles of wire. We use these Gaylords to put different things. This one's battery backup systems. We got 2 over there of keyboards. That one's power strips. There's one over there of like scanners. This one is just random wires. This whole area is like unsorted. We're going to get to it eventually. Over here we have our pallets of 4th gen computers. We're trying to sell these by the pallet, preferably to somebody who would buy all 4 of these pallets. And over here we have the monstrous technologies of laser printers, keyboards, monitors. These are things that are boxed up. Inkjet printers. Yes. Gaylords and Gaylords of stuff. And then these are special. These right here are all just scrap laptops. We sell that by the pound. You give us an offer. We have power supply cables, laptop batteries. So if you've watched any of our old videos, you'll notice that this place is significantly more empty, significantly cleaner. We have sold approximately 120 pallets of stuff to various buyers since our last video. And it's been a lot of work, and we've been working really hard trying to get all this done. Voice over IP phones. Here's another pallet of just scrap computers. These are computers that we feel are too old for anybody to bother refurbishing, and they're not old enough to be collectibles, so these are all just going to get for scrap metal. And we do have more of these that we're going to be adding. This is how much we've collected. I think we emptied them all out less than a week ago, so that's less than a week worth. We also emptied all of our scrap laptops a week ago, and we're already back up to 9 containers full of scrap laptops. The amount of stuff that goes through here is pretty insane. So if you see anything that you want, come give us a call. If you want to come and visit here, you can come anytime that we're open. We're open 47 hours a week. Monday through Friday, we open at 10 a.m. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we close at 6. Thursday, Friday, we close at 7. And then on Saturday, it's 11 to 4. You can come here, and here is in Peoria, Arizona, 7642 West Vogel Avenue. And you can come and spend time with our warehouse manager and pick out whatever you want. We're going to fix this aisle. Some stuff got put in the way here and we haven't fixed it yet. This is our priority this week. Down there we have a lot of 6th and 7th and 8th gen desktops. There's also these filing cabinets. And if you notice, each filing cabinet has a name on it. And that's one particular, most of them are cables. So like that one is all just power strips. That's all just extension cords. And the bottom 4 drawers there are nothing but computer power cords. So we have drawers and drawers of VGA cables, HDMI cables, DVI cables, whatever type of cable you need. We probably have a drawer full of those cables. I think just USB cables alone, we have 2 or 3 drawers. And, you know, we have all of that stuff. So, yep, quite a lot of inventory here. So these are all 7th gen i5s. We do have quite a few 8th gen ones also. And if you're the type of person that doesn't want to bother with refurbishing the computers, we also can sell them to you already refurbished. So you don't need to pay to refurbish them. We do have a policy here at our store because we do get rid of the drives from the customers, and we like SSDs. So every single computer in our retail store has an SSD. We also have a whole bunch of color laser printers. These are working, tested. They work really well. And then, of course, we have, you know, a lot more drawers, battery stuff, VGA cables, Cat 5 cables. That was also Cat 5, lots of cables. And then we have Apple power cords. There you go. They're white. See, we need to put some of these don't have labels. We need to go ahead and label them. They're computer power cords. So that's what we do here. We are Emerald Computers. You can give us a call at 623-240-2424. And then you can click the button for recycling, and then you can click the extension for our recycling lead, and you'll be able to talk to him. Whatever you need, we probably have it here. And if you see something that we don't have, especially if you want some newer stuff, we are a full-service computer store too. We do build brand new high-end gaming machines. We have a lot of more stuff in stock. I didn't really show that because that's not what this video is about. But we can definitely take care of you. Let us know what you need. Thanks, and have an awesome day.